Welcome to this video. If you are aiming for better ranking and a smoother user experience, then optimizing your URL is a must. In this video, we will learn how to write SEO-friendly URLs that are clean, readable, and effective. Let's get started. An SEO-friendly URL is one that clearly describes the page's content, uses keywords, and is easy for both users and search engine to read. It's short, meaningful, and well structured. Search engine uses URLs to understand what your page is about. A clear and descriptive URL improves crawlability, rankings, and user trust. It also appears in search results, influencing click-through rates. Always include your primary keyword in the URL. It gives both search engine and users a clear idea of the page topic. But remember, keep it natural, not forced. Short URLs perform better. Long complex URLs are harder to read, remember, and share. Aim for simplicity. Google recommends using hyphens to separate words in a URL. Hyphens improve readability and help search engine to distinguish between words. Dynamic URLs with long IDs or parameters can confuse search engines and users. Use static URLs that describe the page content clearly. Always use lowercase letters in URLs. Some servers treat uppercase and lowercase differently, which can lead to duplicate content issues. Words like the, is, of are considered stop words. While not harmful, they can make your URLs unnecessarily long. Remove them if your meaning remains clear. Your URL should closely reflect your page title or topic. This consistency reinforces relevance for both search engine and users. You can use tools like Yoast SEO, Screaming Frog, and Google Search Console to review and optimize your URLs for better performance. To recap, write URLs that are simple, keyword-rich, and easy to understand. Avoid special characters and keep them short. These small changes can lead to better ranking and user experience. Thanks for watching. Start optimizing your website URLs today. Use these best practices. For more SEO tutorials and complete training, check out our full course. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.